The second tutorial is the extrusion. The extrusion is a way to make 3D objects from a 2D sketch. So you can click any complete sketch. So it has to be a shape with all connecting sides. So something like this, you cannot extrude that. It doesn't let you extrude that. It just doesn't see it as a shape. But if you complete it, we can extrude that separately, or we can extrude the outside, and we can extrude both. Extrude it by a depth of what you can set here. And the thing with extrusions is that they can actually become sketch planes. So each side of this is a separate sketch plane, separate from the front, from the XYZ axes, so front, right, back, top, blah blah blah. And we can draw a shape on top, like that, and then do an extrusion off of that. So we have a shape on top of a shape, and that's how, kind of the fundamental of how we actually create objects in Onshape. One thing with the extrusion is that you can add stuff or even remove stuff. So here we just put a hole through it because we just removed all the way through material. And if you want it to remove, just go straight through it all, even after you update it, you just go from blind to through all. So now let's go through all of merge scope of part 1. Merge scope is what it merges with. If you just press merge all, it will merge with every object that it interacts with. But merge scope